There's nothing worse than stepping out of bed to be met with pain in your feet. Your feet didn't hurt when you went to bed. What could have happened while you were sleeping that could have caused pain? My name is Dr. Andrew Schneider, and I'm a podiatrist in Houston, Texas. Foot pain after you wake up is not as uncommon as you'd think. Counterintuitive? Yes, but not uncommon. In today's video, we'll explore what causes foot pain when you first step out of bed in the morning and what you can do about it. Before I do, let others know about these videos. Please like, comment, hit the subscribe button, and share on social media. This will help others find the information they need. Why do you wake up with achy feet or ankles? Is this just part of getting older, or is there something more serious going on? What could possibly happen while you're asleep that can cause foot pain? The answer is nothing. Foot pain that starts when you wake up can be caused by a number of reasons. However, none of them are due to an injury while you're asleep. So if you're experiencing foot pain when you first stand up in the morning, then let's talk about some of the most common causes of foot pain after sleep. And hopefully, we'll figure out what's causing it. Plantar fasciitis is probably the most common cause of foot pain after you wake up. It can affect anyone who stands on their feet every day. The plantar fascia is a thick band of tissue which runs along the bottom of the heel and connects to the toes. When you stand up and put weight on your heels, the fascia stretches and becomes very painful. A hallmark of plantar fasciitis is called post-static dyskinesia. This is a fancy way of saying that there's pain after periods of inactivity. This can include getting out of a car after a long drive, standing up after working at your desk for a while, and yes, standing up after you wake up in the morning. If you've had any sort of arthritis, especially osteoarthritis, you know how painful it can be. Osteoarthritis occurs when cartilage loses its protective covering over the ends of the bone, resulting in friction between the bones. As one bone rubs against the other, the joint becomes inflamed and may become deformed. Arthritis of any type can be responsible for pain when you get up in the morning. Some people may describe it more as a stiffness. Usually with arthritis, the pain and stiffness only lasts for the first 15 minutes or so of walking in the morning. In more serious cases, however, the pain can last longer. We all know someone with flat feet. When someone with flat feet stands, a lot of pressure is placed in the ball of the feet when the arches collapse, and this causes instability. This instability can lead to pain when you first get up in the morning. Wearing supportive insoles or orthotics helps to support the flat feet and minimize the discomfort you may feel. Bone spurs occur when areas of calcium begin growing outside of where it should be. This happens because the body forms new bone in areas of pressure and tension. These areas are also prone to inflammation. The most common bone spur in the foot is a heel spur. This is commonly found with plantar fasciitis. The tissue surrounding the bone spur becomes inflamed, which causes pain when you first get out of bed in the morning. Poorly fitting shoes is a common source of foot pain after waking up. Did you know that each pair of your shoes fit differently? There's no uniform shape or size to your shoes. Some will fit looser, others will fit tighter, and in some cases your feet swell, making your shoes feel even tighter. You want to make sure you wear shoes that fit you the best. However, if you still experience foot pain after sleeping, make sure to check your socks and your shoes. Another cause for waking up with achy, tired feet is overtraining. As your muscles become fatigued, they can be prone to cramping and soreness. While it's not uncommon for people who exercise regularly to experience aches and pains at times, if your symptoms are persistent and interfere with your daily activity, it may be time to take a step back from training until your body's had some rest. If you find that you've been having trouble recovering between workouts, especially when you first get out of bed in the morning, then chances are you've been pushing yourself too hard during your last few sessions. Your workout should be challenging enough that you're able to push through it without feeling completely worn down by the end. And you need to give your body adequate recovery time between workouts to allow it to recover fully before tackling your next set of exercises. There are some things you can do to relieve the soreness in your feet after you wake up. Foot baths are great for soothing tired, sore, swollen, or cracked feet. They can help ease muscle aches too. A foot bath uses water and essential oils or Epsom salts or medication such as Toselin foot soaks to cleanse and moisturize the soles of your feet. Soaking your feet helps to draw out impurities, toxins, and bacteria. This process can relieve inflammation and reduce swelling. Foot baths can be done regularly throughout the day to keep your feet healthy. Just like you stretch before and after exercise, the muscles in your feet can benefit from some stretching too. A simple way to stretch is to roll a tennis or lacrosse ball under your feet. That will help to stretch the small muscles and help to resolve the soreness. Pro tip: use the Alleviate Arch Massager for a next level foot massage in the comfort of your own home. Other treatments include wearing orthotics or medical grade arch supports to help support the feet and relieve pressure on the heels. Anti-inflammatory medication can provide relief from the pain. Ice packs can also reduce swelling and bring down the temperature of the affected areas. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Please take a moment to like, comment, and share on social media. Be sure to hit subscribe so you won't miss another video. If you're experiencing pain when you first wake up in the morning, that's a perfect reason to come see me in the office. We'll figure out what the cause is and come up with the right solution. Don't hesitate to contact the office for an appointment. That link is in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.